Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your MEXC wallet address. Alright, so as you can see right here, I'm using the mobile app. So in case you're actually new to MEXC and you don't know how to get your wallet address, you might want to consider downloading the mobile app. Alright, so once you're in the mobile app, the first thing you need to do is to come to the wallet section. Come to the wallet section right here, which is at the bottom menu. Then from the wallet section, you're going to see various wallets. You're going to see sports wallet, you're going to see futures wallet, and you're going to see fiat wallet. The only way for you to get your MEXC wallet address is through the sports section. So once you click on the sports section, you're actually going to see various cryptocurrencies. All right, you're going to see various cryptocurrencies and you're going to see this search box. All right, with this search box, you can use it in searching for various crypto assets. All right, so I currently hide all. Okay, I just all small, right? Hide small balance. So now I just have to enable it so that all crypto assets can actually show. So let me say you're going to get your wallet address for XRP. You search XRP, then you're going to click on XRP. Then now the next thing you want to do is to click on deposit. Clicking on the deposit, you will be able to get your wallet address. So I'm going to click on deposit. And clicking on deposit, you will notice that you need to select a network address. Various cryptocurrencies have various network address. So I'm going to select XRP right here. And if you notice, it's going to generate a wallet address for me. So this is my XRP deposit address. So and I can go ahead and click on copy. And I can resend and receive crypto. Sorry, I can receive crypto through this address. All right. So if I want to get my wallet address for USDT, I'll just do the same thing. I'll search for USDT if I can't find it right here on the list. But for me right here at the top, I'm going to click on USDT. Then I'll click on deposit. And I'm going to select the particular network I want to deposit. All right, so I'll click on TRC20, then I can see the wallet address right here. So I can click on copy, and that's it, guys. I've been able to copy my wallet address. So now I can share this wallet address with whoever is trying to send crypto to me. And that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you found this video really helpful. And if you did, kindly subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and see you guys in another video.